You've selected the submenu for installation and use of the dBLink3 software. This submenu consists of sections covering installing the software, cables and connection methods, configuring a dose badge, downloading data, viewing the measurement data, creating reports, and settings and options. The software can be installed using the CD provided with the instruments or via an executable file downloaded from the Cirrus Research website. Depending upon your computer network and/or company policies, you may need to be logged on as an administrator. If in doubt, contact your IT department for assistance. The minimum computer system requirements can be found in the user manual. Insert the disk into your computer's CD-ROM drive. The program should start automatically. If it doesn't, then click Start, Run, and then type d:/setup.exe, where D is the drive letter of the CD-ROM drive. Alternatively, download the executable file from the Cirrus Research website and save it to your desktop. Then double-click on the icon and load the program. You'll now be faced with a series of windows to guide you through the installation. Select your preferred language, then select the OK button. At the Setup wizard, close any other applications and then select the Next button. Select the destination folder and then select the Next button. At the Select Components window, select the Next button. Tick the Create Desktop icon and select the Next button. A window with a time bar will appear showing progress. At the Hardware Installation window for Universal Serial Bus Controllers, select the Continue Anyway button. When the USB drivers have been installed, select the Finish button. When the software loads for the first time, a window will appear offering advice regarding the charging of the dose badge. Scroll down to the bottom of the window and select Next. There is some demonstration data already loaded for you to use when getting accustomed to the software. Note, a shortcut icon will have automatically been created on your desktop. Before measurements can be downloaded from the reader unit to a computer, the dBLink3 software must be installed. This section assumes you've already installed the software. If not, the previous chapter explains the process to follow. The reader unit is connected to the computer using the supplied USB cable. Make sure you've turned on the reader unit using the Power On button. Firstly, taking the end of the cable with the square connector, plug it into the reader unit, noting the correct orientation and taking care not to force it home. Then plug in the other end of the cable, the one with the rectangular connector, to a USB port on your computer. After you've opened the dBLink3 software, it'll automatically detect the instrument. Select the download option on the toolbar to initiate the downloading process. Further information can be obtained from the main menu software section or from within the dBLink3 software help. The measurement setup can be configured using the dBLink3 software, which transmits the configuration to the dose badge when it's reset by the reader unit. The first step is to connect the reader unit to your computer, making sure it's turned on. Once successfully connected, select the Next button. To set the clock of the reader unit, select the Set Reader Clock button. When the clock has been set, a green tick symbol will be shown. Select the Next button to move to the next screen. The memory of the reader unit can be cleared by selecting the Clear the Reader's Memory button. Note that if the memory of the reader unit is cleared, any measurement data stored cannot be retrieved. The configuration can be selected by either changing the individual parameters using the drop-down selections or using the quick setups and selecting the appropriate configuration. When finished, select the Send Setup to Reader button to program the new configuration into the reader unit. Once the computer and reader unit are connected, measurements can be downloaded into the dBLink3 software. Select the Download from Reader button to start the download. If there are a large number of measurements in the memory of the reader unit, the download may take some time. A progress bar will be shown at the bottom of the screen as the download occurs. When the download is complete, the program will display a green tick to show that the measurement download has been successful and will show how many measurements have been downloaded. The dBLink3 software will automatically save the measurement data onto the PC and will show the location of the stored data in the status bar at the bottom of the window. To save the measurement data into a different location, from the toolbar select File, then Save, and Save All Measurements from the drop-down menu. Select the View Measurement Data button to view the downloaded measurement information. Select the Next button to move to the next screen. Select the Back button to go back to the previous screen. When the View Measurement Data button is selected, a new window opens which shows the downloaded measurement data. Each measurement is shown in the left-hand list. Click on any measurement to view the data. The detailed information for the selected measurement is shown along with the time history data, depending upon the configuration set. Where dual-channel measurement data has been downloaded, the software will show the Channel 1 data. To view the Channel 2 data, press the Channel 2 tab. Both channels can be viewed at the same time by pressing the Both Channels tab. If the configuration of Channels 1 and 2 are the same, only Channel 1's data will be displayed. Channel 1 also displays the number of peaks between 135 dBc and 137 dBc and the number above 137 dBc. The dBLink3 software allows the user to choose a different criterion level from that programmed into the dose badge and reader unit. This allows the percentage dose and the estimated dose percentage to be recalculated using the new criterion level. To use this function, check the Change Criterion Level box and select the new criterion level to be used. The software will remember this selection and it'll be used the next time that the program is run. The dBLink3 program can create a basic measurement report that can be used as the basis for presenting measurement data. It can be either a compact report or a comprehensive report. The compact report contains the essential measurement functions along with the time history data where available. The comprehensive report contains all of the measurement functions that have been downloaded from the dose badge. The user can also select to include all of the downloaded measurements or a selection of the measurements. The Customize the Report options allow the user to enter information about the overall measurement and to include notes and comments that are used in the measurement report. Select the Include the following information in the report box to allow data to be entered in the boxes. The Clear All button will delete any information entered into the boxes. Select the Preview Report button to view the report before printing or exporting. Select the Print Report button to print the report. The measurement report or the measurement data can be exported for use with other programs. There are a number of options available, including MS Word, Excel, or as a PDF document. Select the export function required and enter a file name to save the data. dBLink3 can be configured to suit your preferences or work methods. For example, the program can be started automatically when the PC is turned on or when a reader unit is connected. To modify the settings, select File from the toolbar, then Program Settings from the drop-down menu. A window appears with a number of tabs along the top. Other options include displaying horizontal lines on any time history display. This can be used to indicate when action levels are exceeded and can provide a visual indication of when measured noise levels are above any limits or acceptable levels. The user can also change the location of the folder where all of the data files are kept.